Okay, this is ages 5 to 9. I decorated the lid with different little stickers, like Christmas stickers and music stickers. The outside also has a lot of various little stickers on it that I put on. These, and the other side, gingerbread and snowflakes. And over here I have the nutcracker and grapes and snowflakes. So this is my box, ages 5 to 9. I've already said that. For a girl. And it was going to be like a music theme box, and I had this to put in. It says Secret Star. It's a pedal ball, but it's in the shape of a guitar, like Miley Cyrus. I think, well, this could go for a boy or a girl, actually, this one. So, but I'm not really sure. I don't think it's going to fit, but anyways, here we go. We have these doll figurines. And she has roller skates on there, so this would be fun for her to play with. As well as some more little figurines in there along with the dolls. I have a Care Bear bracelet kit. And you just make the bracelet. It's easy to make, and then there are 2 sheets of stickers. Like this sheet here, and then there's a blue one. So that'll be fun for her to do. I also got a box of Rose Art brand 24 crayons. These are the only ones I had left. I used Rose Art crayons and Crayola brand crayons as well, and just any good quality of crayons. And put soap in the bag. There's 3 bars. So there's that. You can sort of see a purple theme going on with this one. Purple toothbrush. Kind of like a purple rain thing going on here with music, but and this cup here, I have a purple washcloth and a white washcloth, and I have the purple ones are really pretty, purple pencils with cute little designs on there. And other ink pens. So that. I have 2 pencil sharpeners, tissue. I have this water pouch to put in there, and this can be attached to put like on their jeans or something like that. So it's a little water pouch, and there's a little spout and everything with it. I have this, it's a bookmark, but it has like a lot of little questions. It's Brain Quest, and then it has a little like keychain type thing at the top. I have coloring sheets with trivia questions on it as well. This would be great for them to do. It's in Spanish. And I also have the exact same one in English. I have this Bible Heroes book. Lots of fun to do. It says over 20 stickers. There's an answer key in the back. Here are the stickers right here on the front, and it has a lot of little things to do, like coloring sheets, crossword puzzles, and if you can zoom out a little bit, there's a review, and these are great for Bible study items as well, word searches and all of that, so lots of fun. And then I put this folder in here, and I added some wide rule notebook paper. I didn't find the tablets that I wanted for those ages, but I think those will work as well. And here I will put a note, which is why it's blank inside. And this is an activity sheet. I have this Holiday Sesame Street Fun book. It's activity pad, holiday fun, and so I have that. I also have this reading book. I have stickers in here. Princess stickers, Hello Kitty stickers. I have this whole big sheet of emoji stickers, and I also have erasers. Hang on, let me get these out. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5 erasers. And that's all for this box, so thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe, and have a great holiday. Bye. These are also another little small box of crayons that's in the cup. It's only about 4 in here, and they're not really high quality, but they are some extra crayons to have.